Hey everyone, at Marine Parts Source, we like to consider ourselves to be experts on the steering systems for boats, and we're really proud to represent Uflex. They make a great range of steering components that are high quality and high performance, including these mechanical rotary steering kits that they like to call Rotech. Now the Rotech kits come with everything that you're going to need to install a brand new rotary steering system on your boat. They come with a compact helm that's going to be able to be installed in a lot of tight spaces. They come with a 90-degree bezel, and they come with a universal steering cable that can be used with most engine applications. Now, if you've got any questions about how to measure a steering cable properly or how to identify the right cable for your application, you can check out the Marine Parts Source YouTube channel where we have videos that answer those questions. And if you've got any additional questions, you should really contact the experts at Marine Parts Source. They are ABYC certified, and you can call the number at 866-388-0390. Make sure and check the link above to see our entire offering of Rotech steering kits, and of course find us online at marinepartssource.com. Thanks.